Let's sing.
Should we start? Should we start our song?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, and start. Fairies of stories with me. I am listening with my ears, and I'm sitting quietly.
Amma jhoot, what are you doing?
Well done. Okay, tell me, do you like to play hide and seek? Do you like to play hide and seek? आप छिपते हो घर में? पापा या मम्मी आपको ढूंढते हैं? Do you play hide and seek? Today I have a special story for you about birds. There is a bird who is playing hide and seek. Do you want to come with me and look for the bird? Birdie, where are you hiding? Little birdie, where are you? Are you inside Heyan's shoes? No, birdie is not in Heyan's shoes. Are you under Amarjot's chair? Look under the chair. No. Or are you inside Ishan's pocket? Is the birdie inside Ishan's pocket? Ishan, come and show us your pocket. Is the birdie inside your pocket? Let's see. Let's see where little birdie is. In the big forest, there is a ducky, and the ducky goes quack, 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 quack. There is a bear who goes growl. I am the bear. There's a little nutty squirrel. How does the squirrel go? Squirrel?
Squirrel.
And there's a little birdie who goes tweet, 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 tweet. All of them are friends. The quack, quack ducky, the growling bear, the nutty squirrel, and the tweet, tweet birdie. One day, they all decide to go and play hide and seek. Can you see? Can you see Ducky? There's Ducky here. There's little bear and the squirrel and little birdie. They all decide to go and play hide and seek. The bear says, I'm going to close my eyes and all of you are going to hide. And everybody says, okay, 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 bear, go behind the tree and shut your eyes. And so the bear shuts his eyes. Can you see the bear? He's shutting his eyes and he's counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The squirrel is running very fast to hide. The ducky is running fast too. Quack, quack, quack. Don't open your eyes. Don't open your eyes, bear. The squirrel is running very fast and the bird is flying. Tweet, 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 tweet. I'm going to hide. I'm going to hide. No one can find me at all. And the bear is shutting his eyes and saying, are you ready? Are you ready? I'm coming to catch you. Are you ready? And what happened? The little ducky went and hid. The little birdie went and hid. And the little squirrel also went and hid. The squirrel scampered up a tree. The squirrel went up on a tree and it hid. He said, oh, the bear won't be able to see me at all. What did the ducky do? The duck went behind a tall gate in the garden. Can you see here? See, the squirrel scampered. The squirrel went to a tree. on top of a tree. The ducky went and hid behind a gate. Where did the birdie go? I'm going to hide in a secret place. No one can find my secret place, said the birdie. The bear was still counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready or not, here I come. I finished counting to 10. I'm coming. Then the bear opened his eyes and he went to look. He looked around. He just couldn't find anyone. He just couldn't find anyone. Squirrel, where are you hiding? Are you under a stone? Are you behind a bush? Little ducky, where are you hiding? Are you in the pond? He looked everywhere, but he couldn't find anyone at all. There was no one in sight. But little ducky was very excited. From the gate, he poked his head out. He poked his head out like this. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. And the bear said, got you, ducky. You're hiding behind the gate. I got you. I got you. Ducky was very upset. He said, oh, how did you catch me? And the bear said, because you kept looking out and I could see your little beak and I saw you go quack, 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 quack. So I caught you. When you hide, you must be very quiet. Nobody should be able to catch you. Shh. You should hide in a secret place. Ducky, you're very bad at hiding. Ducky said, okay, quack, quack. I'll come with you. Let's look for the squirrel and let's look for birdie. So the bear and ducky, they both start looking. Quack, 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 quack. Where are you, squirrel? Quack, 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 quack. Where are you, birdie? Squirrel, birdie, where are you? They all looked everywhere. Just then, little squirrel saw a nut. Yummy, yummy nut. I want to eat it. The squirrel went and he took the nut and crack, 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 crack. He tried to break the nut. And the bear heard the noise and said, oh, who's cracking a nut? Who's cracking the nut up the tree? He heard the noise and he looked up. See who he found on the tree? Can you see? There is the bear jumping and there is the squirrel on top of the tree. And the bear says, found you, hiding on top of the tree and eating a nut. I found you. Oh, I got caught. I was too hungry. Crack, crack. He opened the nut and he ate up the nut. Now the squirrel came down and said, come, let's look for birdie. Where's the birdie? Where's the birdie? But birdie was not there. The ducky said, quack, 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 quack. I'll also look. Where's the birdie? Where's the birdie? Couldn't find the birdie at all, anywhere. All three of them started looking. The bear said, I'm the best player. I'm going to find birdie. Ducky said, no. I will find the birdie. Quack, quack, quack. And so they started looking. Look, they went to a pond. They went to a pond to look for the birdie. Is the birdie there? But there was no birdie in the pond. There were only frogs. Look, there were just frogs. And the frog said, rabbit, 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 don't disturb me. Why did you pick me up? Rabbit, 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 rabbit. Oh, the birdie is not in the pond. Is the birdie in the pond? No. Look, the ducky is laughing and the squirrel is also laughing. The birdie is not here. You didn't find it. You didn't find it at all. The bear said, no, I'm going to go and look again. I'm going to look everywhere. He started looking everywhere. Then he went to a boo-boo, a doggy. And there was doggy food kept in a bowl, in a dish. The birdie was small. So the bear picked up the dish and said, birdie, are you here? Look. But the birdie was not there. But from behind came the doggy and he was very angry. Who touched my food? Oh, sorry, said the bear. I'm sorry. I was just looking for birdie. You know, we can't find birdie. We are trying to look for birdie everywhere, but we just can't find him. Birdie, where are you? Quack, quack. Birdie, birdie, where are you? But birdie was very good at hiding. Very, very good at hiding. Nobody could find birdie at all, no matter how much they searched, no matter how much they looked. They just couldn't find birdie. Where do you think birdie is? आपको पता है birdie कहाँ है? कहाँ है birdie? कहाँ पर छुपा है? हेयान के घर पे आया birdie? No. Is it in Ishan's pocket? No. Is it in the bag in Amarjot's house? पीछे बैग में है birdie अमरजोत. देख लो जल्दी से. Is the birdie in the bag? No, the birdie is not there. Then the bear went to a big rabbit burrow and looked inside the burrow. Are you there? Birdie, birdie, are you in the hole? Birdie, birdie. No, but birdie couldn't be found. Oh, bear, you can't find birdie at all. You're so bad at searching. The squirrel and the ducky were laughing at the bear. But the bear just couldn't find birdie. Oh, birdie, birdie, where are you? Birdie, birdie, I can't see you. Birdie, birdie, where are you? Birdie, birdie, I can't see you. But then all the animals started coming near bear. The doggy came. Bear, you can't find the bird. I know where he is. Wait, tell me. The doggy said, woof, woof. I'm not going to tell you. The squirrel was laughing. I know where the birdie is. I know where the birdie is. But I'll not tell you. Please tell me, I can't find birdie at all. Ducky said, quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. I know where the birdie is, but I'm not going to tell you. Oh no. The rabbits were laughing at him. The frogs were laughing at him. The doggy was laughing at him. The ducky and this, everybody was laughing. But where was birdie? Birdie was hiding in a special place. Can you tell me where's birdie? Can you find birdie? Tell me where's birdie? Tell me. Who's going to tell me? Who can see the birdie in the picture? You can unmute and answer. Where's the birdie? Who can see the birdie? कहाँ पर है birdie? सब लोग हंस रहे हैं और birdie कहाँ छुपा है और bear को पता ही नहीं birdie कहाँ छुपा है. Birdie. Birdie is hiding on the bear's topi. Birdie कहाँ पर था? Bear की टोपी में छिपा था. Everybody started laughing. Bear, you don't know where's the birdie. Where's the birdie? Where's the birdie? The bear kept looking everywhere. And after some time, the birdie looked down and said, Tweet, 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 tweet. I'm here, hiding on top of your head. Silly bear, you didn't know. See? Tweet, 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 tweet. मैं तो आपके सर पर ही बैठी थी, आपने देखा ही नहीं मुझे. मैं कितनी स्मार्ट हूँ, मैं छिप गई. I was hiding on top of your head and you just couldn't find me. Oh, said the bear, I'm so silly. I just couldn't find you at all. You were hiding right on top of my head. You're so clever. You're so clever. And all the animals gave a big clap for Birdie and said, wow, you hide really, really, really well, isn't it? Little Birdie was hiding so well. What happened to Amarjot? Amarjot? What happened to you, beta? Rasneet, is he okay? Rasneet? Is Amarjot okay?
He's fine, he's fine.
Okay, okay. Now, I have a special poem for you, but for that you have to all stand up. Can you all stand up?
You have to stand up. Not on the chair.
I'm also going to do the action, okay? Say, I am clever. Mama also will do with you, okay? I am clever.
I'm clever.
I'm a very clever fellow.
I'm a very clever
Fellow.
fellow.
Look at all that I can do. What can I do? I can wink with one eye. Can you wink?
Okay, like this. Can you close one eye? Like this. How's ma'am doing? See, like this.
I can wink with one eye. Wink.
Oh.
Or you can close one eye. I can wink with one eye.
Yes.
And I can lace up my shoe. I can tie up my shoe.
Can you tie your shoe? How do you tie your shoe?
I can wink with my eye. I can lace up my shoe. And I can wiggle my ears. I can wiggle, 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 wiggle my ears. And I can crinkle my nose. Can you crinkle your nose?
ऐसे देखो मामा को. Mama.
You look like Vaishali auntie. Can you do that, Isha?
How do you smell? Smell.
I can crinkle my nose. I can stand on my hand. Can you stand on your hand? No, I can't stand on my hand. I fall down. But can you crawl on your hand?
Yes. Can you crawl?
Can you crawl? Can you show me? I'm going to crawl. Can you crawl on your hand?
Amarjot is crawling already.
Crawl to you. I can crawl on my hand. Okay. And I can count my toes. Can we count your toes? How many toes do you have?
Toes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
How many toes?
Count my toes. And can you hop on one leg like this? One leg up. And hop, 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 hop,
Hop, hop. You want to do hop, hop, jump, jump, jump?
Can you hop on one leg?
Amarjot. You see now, Babu, you'll get hurt.
Ishan, are you hopping? Hop, hop, hop. Oh, Mama's hopping on one leg. Wow. And I can pucker my lips. Can you pucker your lips? See this?
No, not like that.
Not true. Like this. Like you're giving Vaishali auntie a kiss. You can pucker your lips. I can balance an apple on 2 fingertips. You got to try this. Can you hold an apple on 2 fingertips? I don't know. I can do so many things, though I've only named a few. And if you ask me nicely, I can show them all to you. Can you do that? So you can wriggle your ears. You can crinkle your nose. Pucker your lips. Show me your fingers. Wink your eyes. Wink your eyes. Hop on your one foot. Hop on one leg. Go hop, hop, hop. Okay, now I'm going to say it fast. Okay, we'll play a game. Let's see who can do it quickly. I'll move my chair. On your marks, get set, and hop on one leg. Hop, hop, hop. Hop, 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 hop. Stop. Clap. Clap quickly. Clap, clap, clap. Now wink, wink, wink. Now wriggle your ears. Wriggle, 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 wriggle. Wriggle, 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 wriggle. Now crinkle your nose. And pucker your lips. Pucker your lips and turn around quickly.
Turn around.
Turn around.
Like this, like this.
And show me your fingers.
Fingers.
And jump up high. So how high can you jump? I can jump really high. 1, 2, high.
1, 2, jump.
That is so good. That is so good. Now Vaishali auntie is going to sit down and I'm going to say it really quick. And let's see how quickly you can do. 1, 2, 3, clap. Clap. Clap, clap first. Clap. Hop on one leg.
Hop, 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 hop,
Hop, hop, hop, hop, hop, hop.
hop, hop, hop.
Fingers. Show me your fingers.
So fingers.
Wriggle your ears. Wriggle, 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 wriggle. Turn around. Turn, 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 turn. Turn around, round, round, round. That's good. And pucker your lips. Show me, I can't see. And and do something that all of you love to do. Put your hands on your forehead.
See like this. See like this. I'm going to do like this.
And that's a boogie boogie. Can Amajol do it? Amajol.
Hands on the head. Hands on the head. Like this.
Good. Now tell me, are you going to play hide and seek with Mama today? Will you play hide and seek with Mama today?
Want to play? See, with Mama today?
Okay. Before you play with Mama, all of you close your eyes. And Vaishali auntie is going to hide. And you have to find me.
I'm going to close your eyes and count.
Close your eyes. No looking. No looking. No looking. No cheating. No looking. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. No looking. I'm going to hide. I'm going to hide. I'm going to hide. I'm going to hide.
8, 9, 10.
Find me. Where am I?
Where is Vaishali auntie? Find Vaishali auntie. Where is Vaishali auntie? Vaishali auntie. Auntie.
आंटी कहाँ पर है?
मालूम नहीं कहाँ पे हूँ आप ढूंढो मुझे
Can you find her? Can you see where is she?
Am I sitting on the chair?
No, Nana is not on the chair.
I
Then
need
नीचे किधर?
Am I behind the door? Am I behind the door? Where am I?
You are under there.
Can you see Vaishali's auntie?
What's
Where am I? I'm coming, I'm coming. Where am I? Where am I?
No, you are.
Did you find me?
Can you see her?
Where am I? Where's Amarjot?
How much you come back? Come out. Come out.
I'm here.
Oh, peekaboo.
Did you find me? I was under my table. I was hiding under my table. Now, I want you all also to play hide and seek today and have lots and lots of fun. Okay? Ask Mama and Daddy to find you. And then when Mama and Daddy hide, you also go and find them. Okay? Do you want Vaishali auntie to hide one more time before going home? Before saying bye-bye? Will you find me one more time? Okay, all of you close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Count करना है. Count. Close your eyes and count.
Close your eyes and count.
Close your eyes.
No
One.
looking.
Count.
No looking.
1, 2.
Ishan, close your eyes. No looking, huh? No looking. Yeah, close your eyes. Amarjot, close your eyes.
Ready. Go. Once again you count. 1.
Ready. I'm ready. Where am I?
Oh. किधर? किधर है मैम?
Where am I? Where am I?
Did you see ma'am? See? Ah. There she is. There she is. She got you. She got you. See?
I was hiding behind my. You know where I was hiding? I was hiding here.
Oh, behind the curtains. Oh.
And I came out and you got me.
Oh, clapping.
Did you have fun today?
Huh?
I'll see you again and you enjoy playing hide and seek.
Did you
Okay?
like it? Sit there, please. I don't know. I'm not school जाएंगे. Sit bye.
Bye bye and flying kisses. And where's my hug? Bye bye. Bye Ishan. Bye Amarjot. Bye Heyan. Enjoy.
He's gone to his room saying, I want to go to the school.
I wish I could meet them all. I think once we all get vaccinated, we should plan to meet.
Yes, definitely.
All right, take care. Bye bye, children.